going to make a strawberry matcha latte inspired by Boba, guys. Watch the strawberries.
These strawberries are like rubies. And then we need to cut them up, right?
Yeah, chop them up, please.
All right.
I think I'll mash them and then maybe we can just microwave it really quick later. Alright.
All right.
I'm gonna get some honey.
How much?
However sweet you want it to be. Wow, that's... Oh my god, that was a lot.
That's more than you usually do?
Yeah.
All right. Oops.
I don't usually do it that sweet.
Microwave. 3, 0. Start. Do a little microwave dance.
How's the sweetness?
Mmm.
Too
It's
sweet?
nice and tart. I'll use almond milk. Right?
The sugar helps form the layers.
And it helps weigh it down, right?
Yeah, the sweeter, I guess it's like the sweeter it is, the heavier it is. So then this will separate from the matcha layer.
Shake that milk. Oh, this thing is ice cold.
That's good. Look at the matcha.
It's pretty sweet. You don't like it?
It tastes like almonds.
That's just the nature of almond milk.
Okay, good. It is separating. Okay.
Oh, is it separating?
That one not so much.
Oh no.
But the other one is good. There's like no room left for the matcha. We are using powdered matcha, green tea powder, probably from 99 Ranch. It's 2 grams to 400 cc. So we'll add some water.
Okay.
Yeah, do more than that.
All right.
Check it up.
Ooh, now this bottle is getting quite hot.
Nice and foamy.
Great. Is it working?
Yeah.
It looks pretty good.
All right.
All right. And that's how you do it. That's how you make
Strawberry
a
matcha latte.
strawberry matcha latte.